Hello, this is the Work Decor Organization channel. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. You're more than welcome to do so. Here where I have my friends and viewers. It's going to be recycling today, the DIY for Valentine's Day. To do it in an economical way. We're going to need a roll of toilet paper. You have a font and things like that, and diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. The red one, all the colors you show there, but this is for Valentine's, that's why I'm using these colors. Okay, we're gonna need this little cardboard like that. Yes, we're recycling today. You're gonna need like two toilets, roll of toilet paper, things like that, to use it to do this autograph. We're gonna cut little pieces like this. We're gonna cover it with the font, Eva font. Also, this in here, we're gonna do it with a Sharpie. We're gonna mark it down like this, and we're gonna cut it with the scissors, like here. I'm gonna show you now. Like that. Now we're gonna do it like this, in this size, to make a little hole in there. I'm gonna do it as a shape of heart, but you can do it as a circle too. Whatever you prefer, you like the most. I love hearts, and this is special for the Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna do like a heart over here. We're going to cut it. Well, I'm not in it now, but it has to be later when we put the have a phone that I remember. Sorry. We can be covering this with cardboard, everything. Just covering it. This for the zipsong of this, I'm just gonna leave it like that to do this very short video. So we're gonna try to do this. Should have cut it when it was done, but I forgot. So we're going to try. Yeah, we're gonna go on. Take this from the door. This is adhesive, so it's easier to make it. We're gonna do it here, over here. Sometimes it's not easy to work with it. So we're gonna see. No part, we're gonna be covering it then. Over here. Just a little spacing here, like an inch or so. Things like that. You see? You cut it the shape of a heart. Let me take this off. The back of the paper. Yeah, the paper, yes. Over here. I think it's looking pretty. Okay. It's like a little bear house. That it look cute. Just a little bit. You forgot the cardboard here. Now we're going to glue it with the glue gun. We're gonna glue it to the little cardboard there. The other foam with the hot glue. We're gonna do this like a shape of a heart to make a decoration, a different color, like from little heart. I'm liking the way it's looking, so I hope you like what you see and subscribe to my channel. As I say before, you're more welcome to do so. I will share every video. If you subscribe, hit the button, subscription, and you will get all my videos done, the ideas that I give you from the DIYs, an economical way of decorating your home. Now I'm cutting it with a heart. And we do the paper in the back. This is optional. This is your one. Depends if you like it. If you want to add it in there, it's okay. It's what you like. Yes, I like the way it looks. So we're going to be using this to go around. Two of them. I'm going to put your system on. And I'm going to show you the final results. My friends and viewers, this is my final result. I hope you like what you see. Subscribe to my channel, you're more than welcome. Here's my little teddy bear. One of my collections, and the little fireplace like that I did. Or candle holder could be too. And the little birdhouse. I think it looks very nice. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your thumbs up and your comments. Thank you very much for watching.